NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin 64GB Developer Kit. Run giant AI models directly at the edge.
The NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin 64GB Developer Kit is the world's most powerful edge AI prototyping platform. It's a complete, ready-to-code system that gives you 275 TOPS of AI performance, a 12-core ARM CPU, 64 GB of LPDDR5 memory, and every connector you'll ever need, all in a compact board the size of your hand. This is the exact hardware that powers tomorrow's autonomous robots, smart drones, medical devices, and industrial vision systems. One kit lets you develop, test, and emulate every Orin module so your prototype today becomes your shipping product tomorrow.
You get 5 massive advantages instantly. First, raw power. 275 TOPS lets you run the largest transformer models and multiple AI pipelines at once. Second, huge memory. 64 GB LPDDR5 with 204.8 GB per second bandwidth eliminates swapping and latency. Third, unmatched I/O. 16 lanes of CSI for up to 8 cameras, PCIe Gen4, 10 gigabit Ethernet, CAN bus, everything production needs. Fourth, full NVIDIA software stack, JetPack, DeepStream, Isaac, Riva, and TAO, all pre-installed and cloud-native ready. Fifth, future-proof design. One kit emulates every Orin module, so you never redesign when you scale. You stop wasting months on underpowered boards and start shipping real products faster than ever. Before, your team spent 6 months trying to squeeze a multi-camera perception stack onto an AGX Orin. Constant throttling, dropped frames, and models shrunk to fit. You missed demos and lost momentum. Now, with the Jetson AGX Orin 64GB kit, the same stack runs in real time across 8 4000 resolution cameras while simultaneously running SLAM, object tracking, and natural language commands. Zero throttling, rock-solid 60 frames per second. One robotics startup cut their prototype cycle from 14 months to 9 weeks. A medical imaging company went from lab proof of concept to FDA submission in under 8 months. You go from, "it kind of works on my desktop," to production-ready robot demoing to investors next quarter. This isn't marketing hype. Independent tests show the AGX Orin 64GB delivers 6 to 8 times real-world inference speed over the AGX Xavier and crushes every other embedded AI board on the market. Robotics labs at top universities now standardize on it because students can finally run full-size models without compromises. Fortune 500 automation teams have replaced racks of edge servers with a single Orin cluster. One industrial inspection customer reduced false positives by 38% simply because they could finally run deeper, unquantized networks. Reviewers call it the first embedded platform that doesn't feel embedded. NVIDIA's partner ecosystem offers carrier boards, rugged cases, and sensors ready to ship, so you're never stuck designing from scratch. When the world's most demanding teams choose the same dev kit for prototypes that go straight to production, you know it's the undisputed leader. Stock is limited and moving fast. Click the link in the description right now and secure your NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin 64GB Developer Kit today, the only board that turns your biggest AI ideas into shipping reality this year. Don't wait 6 months for the next batch. Claim yours now and start building the future before your competition even finishes their proof of concept. Click below. Your breakthrough begins today.